Hello friends! So today I'm going to show you how to make raw vegan milk. Now as you know, raw vegan milk is usually made with nuts. And we know that nuts are very high in fat. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raw vegan milk that has only 2 grams of fat, as opposed to making a vegan milk which with let's say 2 cups of nuts. That would be 144 grams of fat. But the milk that I'm going to show you how to make is only going to be 2 grams of fat. So if you want to know how to make this fast and easy, low-fat raw vegan milk, please stay tuned. Now the first thing you're going to need is water. I used a 32-ounce jar of water. Second, what you're going to need is 5 bananas. I used 5 frozen bananas, and I'm going to be using my Vitamix for this. But I don't believe that you need the Vitamix. I think a regular blender can do this also. Then just put the water in the Vitamix and the bananas together and mix. And that is it. That is how simple it is. And there you see how beautiful that looks. Now that's the way I like mine. Mine, just 2 simple ingredients really fast. But you can put some dates in your milk if you want to make it a little bit sweeter. I prefer it plain and simple. And just to give it a little taste, I did put some cinnamon on top of the milk.